Hi friends, it's Rose here. Welcome to my Devlog series for my fantasy RPG video game, Raindrop Chronicles Roots and Rumours. In this devlog, I'm going to talk about ChatGPT, the AI that's been turning heads, including mine. Right around the time I hit publish on that last video, ChatGPT dropped. And let me tell you, it's got everyone talking. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. So what's ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on the text input it receives. It's designed to assist people with just about anything, from answering questions to even just having a casual chat. As a solo game dev who's more of a throw it all together and pray it works kind of coder, I'd be a fool not to give ChatGPT a whirl and see if it could help me out with some coding magic. But first, make sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/raindroprpg. By being a Patreon supporter, you will be supporting my game dev dreams and helping me to continue bringing the world of Raindrop Chronicles to life. Thank you so much to Mr. Radu, Fantasia and the Car Audio Guy for being VIP Patreons, and my other patrons for believing in me and Raindrop Chronicles. So, for those of you who might not be in the loop, my game features 2D sprites in a 3D world. I faced a challenge with player movement, specifically stopping our adventurous player from walking across cliffs. That's when I thought, hey, why not ask ChatGPT what to do? ChatGPT was all ears, patiently listened to my dilemma and offered a ton of solutions. We went on this roller coaster ride of testing and tweaking until we landed on the Holy Grail. A rigid body raycasting fix that keeps the player safe at those pesky cliff edges. But I'll keep it real. ChatGPT isn't like waving a magic wand. It's more like a trusty companion that needs clear, detailed input from a person to deliver the goods. Without proper guidance, it might just mess the whole thing up. And sure, ChatGPT gave me the code, but the fine-tuning, playtesting and variable value adjustments, that was all on me, since our AI buddy here isn't privy to the ins and outs of my game world. All things considered though, I feel like I've gained a personal game programming mentor right by my side in ChatGPT. You can bet I'll be using it for future coding adventures, as it could save me hours of frustration and endless Googling. Thank you for watching this devlog. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And join the Discord if you haven't already. All links are in the description below. See you next time.